totally cool with you guys filming. You guys film.
Hey, don't come give us directives. We're not detained. Leave us alone. Okay.
You're also on private
Okay,
property,
you're
so
trying to intimidate us now. Yeah, then go away. We don't want to hear it.
I don't need you to get hit
Kick
by a
rocks.
car.
Kick rocks. Shut up, too.
You can film
Shut the up.
like on the sidewalk.
We
right there,
know.
anywhere.
We know.
Just not right
Good. Kick rocks. Go away. You're about to get hit.
You're about to get hit. You better watch out.
That's what we're dealing with you because I don't want you to get hit. At least I'm worried
Don't worry about me. My safety's not your concern, sir.
It is.
Okay, no. I don't want to talk to you. Go away.
Man, we're just here to keep you
Go away.
accountable, man.
Not breaking any laws. Beat feet.
Okay, no, that's fine. You can record. Just
We
not
know.
right
No,
here.
we
You
can record.
film
We have a
going on.
right to record. That's a big difference,
You
okay?
have a right to record on public property, not
Uh-huh.
private property.
Okay.
It's not when it's a. I
Right,
also have a
right.
permit for us to
Right.
use this. Okay.
Let's see.
As part of our permit, that it's an encroachment permit. So if I ask you to leave that particular property, you do need to leave. I'm gonna give you. So totally cool with you guys filming on the sidewalk and everything like that. And just not.
Well,
right here where
thank
you're
you
gonna
for
get
being okay with us not doing anything wrong. I appreciate that. What are you guys doing? You're supposed to be evaluating for drunk drivers only, not asking for registration and shit. They try to ID the passenger? They did? He doesn't have to show ID. He's a passenger. Best thing to do is crack your window, put your driver's license against the window, and don't say a word. Passenger doesn't need the ID. Why are you even asking? Why are you blocking my camera, dickhead?
You gotta get out of the parking lot. I'm not gonna tell you.
F you. I'm a fucking patient at arranging. I'm waiting for my appointment.
You can't be here while we're on our traffic
All
stop.
good now, Dick. Stay out of my fucking camera. Why are you IDing the passenger? Uphold the Constitution like your oath said. Piece of shit. You're a crap. What's your name and badge number, by the way, dickhead?
Sergeant Terry.
Ugh.
Last name's
Never mind. I know you are. I heard about you. I heard about you.
You don't want to be friends?
No, I don't f***ing like you already. Look at the pulls shit you pulled already. Prick. Friends. You don't want to be friends with your community at all. You want to stand over them and be their superior. But you know what? You're not our superior. You're our servant. So get back to work. You're dismissed. Hey, your address is on your ID. Tell them f*** off. Don't say anything to them. Your best answer is, I don't answer questions. Don't answer questions. They're all designed to arrest you. That's their whole motivation here, is to arrest you for something. Whoa. Easy there, buddy. You don't have to answer any of their questions at all. Your passenger does not have to identify. You show them their ID and shut up. Don't say anything. It's all designed to take you to jail. Your best answer is, I don't answer questions. That cop is a piece of shit right there, that one. He's a fucking stone-faced liar, that one. And so far, this one's also a piece of shit. The sergeant. And you see this guy working for this sergeant, so shit rolls both ways. Not just downhill, up and down. That's why this guy's such a piece of shit, because his sergeant here is a piece of shit. Jury's still out on this one, Davis. He seems all right, although yeah. No, he tried to like come over and bump me too, like a prick. Pissed me off. So yeah, no, he's a shit too. A passenger does not need to show ID. If they told you that, they're lying. And stand up for your rights. Don't roll over and give them to them, because then you weaken all our rights. You give that cop your ID, you're doing us all an injustice. Your body cam on? Terry? Officer Terry? Three-striper Terry? You three-striped? Yeah. Is your body cam on?
Could be.
It could be? I'm asking you a f***ing question. You disrespect. This is your employer talking. Is your body camera on?
It could be.
Okay, how come you kicked us out of the parking lot and now you're up here in our space.
I just happen to be standing here.
Right.
Would you like me to go back down?
Yeah, get out of my way.
All
That way I can walk back and
You can,
forth.
go, you can go around.
Yeah, I can go around you, sure. So you're up here to be a prick then?
Not at all.
Right, okay. Is your body cam on?
It could be.
It could be. Well, I request that you turn it on this time
Okay.
because you're making me a little nervous the way you're
sorry you
acting.
feel that way.
Okay, well I do. So can you turn your body cam on? Is your body cam on? What's his name? Davis? No answer. This is what? Earning the hate. Earning the hate. Good job, guys. These stops are supposed to be minimal to evaluate for DUI only. What the f are you guys doing? Guys, showed his driver's license. Ask him your questions. Let him go. You guys aren't even supposed to be searching for shit like this. You guys are totally abusing this law. Totally. You're not supposed to be searching for registration and shit. Holding all, look at all these people being held up. How many DUIs you write tonight? Any? Even one? We're going to pull those stats. I bet it's a big 0. I bet it's a 0. Because if you're really trying to catch people drinking, what the f are you doing out here at 9 o'clock? Ain't nobody drinking yet. Come out at 2. What they're really trying to do here is tow cars. Because they want money. They want your car.
Bro, do you really be happy doing this shit, bro?
Oh, he's happy as can be. He runs around all day breaking all the laws he enforces. Still got you here, huh?
Yeah, man. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
No problem. I hang out just for you. Hey, we never saw this permit. What happened? Can't find it?
Are you here to pick someone up, sir?
No, I need to.
No, your dad.
None of your f***ing business, cop. Kick rocks.
You have your license.
F***ing harassing people. Why you gotta ID him? You suspect him of a crime?
You driving this car away?
Why are you IDing him? He didn't commit a crime. Hey, Davis. Davis, why are you IDing people that haven't committed crimes? Honor your oath. Honor your oath, Davis. Protect and uphold the Constitution against enemies, foreign and domestic. That's you. That's you. That's your oath. Remember? IDing people you don't have authority to ID, that's breaking your oath. Yeah, go home. Go the f home. Quit f***ing with people. People don't want this. Wasting everybody's time. How many DUIs tonight? None. How many drunk drivers you guys get off the road for this $20,000 night? None. Let's go, heroes. Wrap it up. Go on home. Quit harassing people. Guys doing great things out here. How many DUIs tonight? Did you get one? None. Not one drunk driver taken off the streets. That's sad. 20 grand in tax dollars. How many DUIs you guys take down tonight? Can't answer that? I guess 0. That's it, right? None? All for nothing? So you guys spent probably 20 grand to write 4,000 in tickets? Good job, hero. Oh yeah, where's the permit?
It's at our box.
Were you gonna show us?
Trailer.
You're sure since you kicked us
not
off the
here anymore.
property?
You said you were going to show us, though.
Now you show us? You're sergeant?
Yeah.
No shit, 3 stripes? We don't like to use that term, sergeant. That's a military term. Did you do any military time?
I didn't.
Who you at war with?
I'm not worried, no.
Then how are you a sergeant? You know,
the
that's the
title that they
thinking.
have with the
I
job.
know, and that
Okay,
needs
that's
to
it.
change. With 3 stripers.
This guy's the other tyrant right here.
Yeah, Davis, what are you doing, man? What are you doing out there? You're IDing people you don't have authority to ID. You just want to ignore me. Remember this?
We're not here to hurt
Remember this?
anybody, man. Why do you keep asking people?
Promise to uphold and protect the Constitution against enemies, foreign and domestic. Remember that? Do you remember doing that? That's your oath, in case you didn't know.
He doesn't like talking to me.
That's all right. He probably shouldn't, because wasn't looking too good back there. You know, you took an oath to uphold and protect the Constitution. Why does that cross your mind when you're asking people who don't have authority to ID, people who haven't committed a crime? and you're IDing them. That's a violation of the Fourth Amendment. Why would you do that? You don't take
He
your
does what he's told.
you don't take your oath seriously?
He does what he's told.
No, just be quiet. That's probably your best bet. Because this right here, career ender. This motherfucker right here fires 60 frames a second at 4K. I can fire this into a crowd of people. And you know what? Only people it hurts are liars, cheaters, tyrants.